The cultural mapping is an awesome initiative that they're doing in order to help us, iwi members that haven't necessarily grown up in that area. We're doing rangitoto ki te tonga, and I haven't actually lived there or spent a lot of time there, but seeing those cultural places of significance, seeing the names come up on the maps and hearing the kōrero from our kaumātua and whānau here share those stories of when they grew up on the island actually brings it to life, and that connection stronger that I probably never had before, listening to those stories and seeing the locations and maps in front of us. So for me it's been a learning experience, and yeah, quite an eye-opener just to come and listen and see those place names and the associated stories that go with it. I think it helps us appreciate our kaumātua and the lives that they've lived and the experiences they've had on the island and in those areas, which is a lot different to what we currently are experiencing and have grown up in. But it builds, I think, understanding around, the lives they lived, and I think it's a way of building and bridging gaps and relationships and understanding with past generations, with our younger ones, rangatahi as well. I think we just need more of these kind of initiatives happening and more engagement from our rangatahi, our younger ones, to help them feel connected to those cultural places and areas of significance for our iwi.